I've been trying to do affiliate marketing for about a year now, and I haven't been successful. To be honest, I've been more frustrated than ever trying to make money with affiliate marketing. So what I was doing, in fact, was to just come across YouTube videos and try to follow different strategies. Now, I guess that was my mistake, because when you pick from different content creators and follow different strategies, at the end of the day, you're not really following a proper strategy. So I guess some of it is my fault, but there's something important I want to talk about. And this is what I noticed when I was watching these videos. Now, I'm not saying these content creators are not successful. They are, definitely. But what I noticed, or in my documentation, they don't give you the full spectrum of what you need to do in order for you to be successful. Sometimes they may give you very good information about part of the process and neglect or intentionally miss another important part of the whole process, because the way I look at it, it has pillars. If you have an audience, yes, that's a very good starting point. But if you don't have an offer and you don't have a niche, you're not going to make money. So even if you have a lot of subscribers, it doesn't translate into being successful. And also, if you have a product that you're promoting and you don't have an audience, that's not going to work either. Or if you have a product and an audience, but you can't do Facebook ads or YouTube ads, again, that won't work, because you need to try and get to be known by quite a lot of people. You need to let people know about your offer. So as you can see, there's a pattern of how things need to go. And let's say you want to have recurring promotions, or you want to promote to the same people that have bought that particular product. You're going to need an email list. So as you can see here, there's a pattern and there are pillars that need to be in place in order for this to work. And this is what got me really frustrated. In fact, it got me questioning myself, like, do I really have what it takes to be successful with affiliate marketing? So yeah, it really gets frustrating. And what these videos also do that I think causes a lot of problems to beginners like myself is it's all hype. Sometimes you see Ferraris, sometimes you see headlines like $0 to $10,000 in a month, or $100 a day using this, or the ultimate $100 a day formula for affiliate marketing. Come on. At what stage does that formula work? Does it work when you have 100,000 subscribers? Does it work when you have 1 million subscribers? I mean, where? Because surely someone who has a following or someone who has an audience is not the same, or you're not going to achieve the same results as someone who is just starting off. Let me just give you a quick example here. Now, Amazon Associates, a lot of people talk about being successful with Amazon, promoting Amazon products on Amazon. Now, when I looked at it, the maximum you can get in commissions is about 10%. Majority of it is about 3%. So if you sell, let's say, if someone buys off of your affiliate link and they buy a product for $100, you get $3. Now, how many of those do you need to sell in order for you to be making, let's say, $1,000 a month? Obviously a lot. So now that we've established that you need to sell a lot of these products, that means your content or whatever you're doing has to be going to quite a lot of people, which means you're either creating content that you're promoting heavily on social media, or you are using Facebook ads or YouTube ads. And as you know, or in fact, in my experience, I've tried YouTube ads and I've lost a lot of money, because obviously you have to master it. So basically what I'm trying to say here is affiliate marketing is not as straightforward as a lot of these videos online try to make it seem. I think they just summarize the process, and sometimes they miss very key components of the whole process. And as a result, you will not make money from it. So what I've decided to do is to document my journey. I've given myself a target, and my target is to make 6 figures in 12 months. So that is about 100K in 12 months, which translates to about $277 a day. Now, I'm not saying I'm going to make it right away, but the reason why I'm doing this is for those of you who want to make money online, and for those of you who have been frustrated or have really tried to do it and failed, similar to my experience. This is your opportunity to see how I document my whole process. So what I'll be doing is I have a strategy in place which I think works, and I've taken notes from different videos that I've been watching, and pretty much it's quite straightforward, but I'll be trying this. If it doesn't work, you will be seeing through my reports and through my videos that I'll be releasing, at first, I'll do 2 videos every week just to recap on how I'm progressing with affiliate marketing and in my journey to make the 100K in a year. So I'm going to be documenting this. You will be able to see what works, what doesn't work, and what works better than the other, and also my strategy. So I'll be documenting pretty much everything. So I'm going to turn this into a series. So I'll start producing 2 videos a week, just documenting the whole journey to making 100K as an affiliate marketer. So this is going to be quite interesting. And the whole idea with this is just to make you, the beginner, see what it takes for you to be successful online. Because to be honest, I'm fed up of these hyped up videos, which, excite you when you go into watch these videos, and then when you try to implement the process, it just leaves you with frustration. So I really want to go bare bones, behind the scenes. I'm the guinea pig. You are going to see what I'll be implementing. I'll be discussing it, and it will be nice as well if you can, comment in the comments box. Let me know what you think, or if I'm doing something wrong, I'd like to know what I can do, because I'm going through this as a beginner. Okay, as a beginner. So I'm not trying to claim that I'm an expert in all of this. The idea here is for us to share the whole experience so that you can see what it takes, and it will be also a learning process for me. Now, what do I want to get out of this? Well, it's purely what I've been doing all these years on my YouTube channel. I like sharing my content. I like teaching. I like sharing my knowledge with a lot of people. So this is the reason why I'm doing it. But I just want to set myself a target and see if this is achievable. And I'm hoping that there are people out there that make quite a lot of money that will be able to comment on these videos and say, right, Mac, this is what you're doing wrong. This is what you're messing up, and this is why it's not working. That's what I'm really hoping. And then at the end of this, we should get a formula that really works. Pretty much a bulletproof formula that will get you there, because you would have seen the whole process in a series of videos of what I'll be doing. So each week I'll set myself a target of what I'll be doing. I'll be talking about it, and then also explaining how it went and if it's giving me any success or not. Now, as I mentioned, I'm starting from scratch. The products I'll be promoting are products where I really don't have an advantage in. So I'm going to be picking, specific products which I haven't promoted before, and see, where it takes us. So pretty much it'll be similar to yourself, as in the fact that, in the sense that you'll be also choosing products that you haven't, done before. If you do have products, then good. But you can just also learn from what I'm doing and, apply what works. All right, guys. So this is what I have. Oh, in fact, before I finish off this video, what does it mean for the videos that I've been making about web design tips and all of that kind of stuff? I will continue making those videos, so don't worry about that. Nothing is changing. This is just something I'm adding onto my channel because I really want to be successful with affiliate marketing and making money online. So this is something that if you are interested, I am going to leave a link where you can, drop your email, and I can remind you when the episode is out. All right, guys, thanks very much for watching. See you in the next one.